This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about barware, specifically these glasses from the Moda Nude collection. We have a couple to show you. They're 13 ounce, double old-fashioned, the 2 ounce shot glass, and the 13 ounce highball. And these are a couple of classic styles of glasses you're going to want if you're looking to put together a collection for your bar. Your double old-fashioned is going to be great for things like old-fashioned cocktails, anything like a White Russian, a Manhattan. Your highballs are going to be great for some classic cocktails like rum and coke, anything that's a mix of liquor and soda, or juice cocktails like your classic Cape Cod, so vodka and cranberry. And then of course your shot glasses for just taking shots, making up shooters. I actually even like these in our cake studio for making up tiny little parfaits and little dessert samplers as well. So they kind of get more than one use. The collection in general has a really nice, elegant feel to it. You have these very thin sides that taper, right? They just flare just a little bit out, and a really nice, thin laser cut rim. And then it has a beautiful weighted base, which gives it a nice weight and feel in your hands, and it just feels a little more luxe. These are all a really fine lead-free crystal, right? It's machine blown with those beautiful laser cut rims, and they have a really nice, classic, sleek, elegant feel to them. They're perfect for showing off your ingredients and mixers and cocktails. And they're really made to withstand heavy use, meaning you can buy them for use at home, but they're also great and will stand up well in a commercial setting. So they're nice and low maintenance as well, meaning that you can throw them in the dishwasher, whether that's your home dishwasher or a commercial one at a restaurant or hotel. So this is a really great set of barware. It's a nice collection that has a wonderful, beautiful, fine, and kind of elegant, luxurious feel to it, but also is really low maintenance and will last you a while.